shit, like she say, yeah, pitch.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Prince and I'm back at you again with another video. And in this video we're gonna get the exhaust done, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna take a muffler and the resonator off and it should sound good. I also got a new diffuser on right now. I just put it on last night. Like I would have recorded it, but there was no lighting and it was pretty tough to get on. So yeah, I couldn't really do that, but I'll record the other parts that I get. But let me show you guys the car real quick. So this is the baby. She also got a roof wrap by LD Wraps and stuff like that. Yeah, this is how she's looking. I like the black roof because it makes it look so much better. Makes it look more sporty, you know what I'm saying? More sporty. And I did do my brake calipers red. And we got a plane passing by, but I did my brake calipers red. And I might as well just take the tape off of this right now. So I'm gonna just take the tape off of this right now. So we're getting the muffler delete. I'm getting the muffler and resonator delete done right now. And I'm getting 5-inch tips. So you know it's gonna look good. I actually came to 954 Mufflers down in Hollywood. If you guys need any work done, you know where to come. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. It's getting done right now. They also got a scrap back here too. Never really seen underneath my car. Look at that new diffuser though. Might need different tape for it. And this is the tips that I'm doing right here. These tips are going on the cars. Look at that. All that restriction right there. And right there. It's like the same amount that was on the Mustang that I had This cat's coming off soon. Downpipes coming soon. It's coming down. 5-inch tips. Here at 954 Mufflers. See you guys come through. They looked out for you. They look out for you too. Alright, so I just got my exhaust done over here at 954 Mufflers, located in Hollywood. Just come over here if you guys need anything done. Any muffler, exhaust system done, anything like that. They'll look out for you. Don't worry about it. Look out for you. Alright. Alright, YouTube. This is the end of the video. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that last part, but make sure you guys go over to 954 Mufflers. They're located in Hollywood. If you live in Florida, make sure you hit them up. Go over to them. They'll look after you. Damn, I got a lot of bugs on my car. Car got so many bugs on it. I don't know if you can even see that, but they got so many bugs. She does need a wash. She does need a wash, so don't look at that. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. Let me turn around the camera. Man, it's hot outside. Let me sit inside the car and then just. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Forgot to let you guys know. I got stars on my roof. Don't worry, I'm doing a whole update on my interior and on all that stuff. Yeah, I got stars in it. But I'm gonna do a whole update of everything that I got done. It's not really much. It's just the stars. You guys see the exhaust and the diffuser. I already did the wheels. I showed you guys the brakes, but yeah, there's still more to come. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I upload a video. It's your boy Prince. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Still an ashtray and it's just for that guts. Don't you try coming and slip. I put a 4 and an A and a W, and I've been sipping on suds. All 3 of my cards got ice on the bezels. Shit came from the trenches. You speak on my name and it came with the pressure. We started destruction. I flew the big 10 way.